Great. Today I came across a very nice patch of this Cynarospermum asperrimum. So this is actually it's a termite mound on the edge of a stream, in between a stream and a paddy field. So behind there is the stream, and then this side there's a paddy field, and it has occupied a nice vertically the space quite beautifully. So you can see that lower lip is more in the petal, and then the upper lip is almost absent. Then it has some peculiar bracts and all, it seems, technically. So it has been classified as a separate entity by itself, not belonging to other families. Then these purplish veins are another feature. On the petals you can see the dark purple veins. That's another feature of this. Then apart from that, it's easy to multiply from cuttings and all. And, growing along with the Malabatricum, Melastoma malabatricum. ಚಂದ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಇದು.